Welcome students. Today we are going to explain about Boolean identities. At first we have to know what is identities. Boolean identities means there are some laws, some rules in Boolean algebra which is valid for all Boolean variables. Irrespective of all Boolean variables, which some laws are valid. Okay, so these laws are very needful in our when we do some simplification in Boolean expression. So we have to know these identities. Okay, so let us see what are these Boolean identities. So our first Boolean identities is a plus 0 equals to a. So what is a? A is any Boolean variable. Okay. A plus 0 equal to a. Now let us see how this is valid for a Boolean variable. We know that this is a OR operation. Okay. And a be any variable. So for any Boolean variable, for any single Boolean variable, there must be two values, either 0 or 1. There cannot be any other values except 0 and 1 for any Boolean variable. So a value must be either 0 or 1. So now let us justify whether this statement is justified or not. Okay. So suppose when a is 1. Okay, at first let us take a is 1. Then a plus 0 means value of a is 1. So a plus 0 means 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0, as it is an OR operation and one value is 1. So output is 1. So 1 means as a is 1. So a plus 0 is 1. That means equals to a. Again, let us take a is 0. So a is 0 means our identities is a plus 0. So by putting the value of a is 0, we get 0 plus 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So as the a is 0, so a plus 0 also we get 0. That means a. So we can easily say that a plus 0. So whatever be the value of a, we get output a. So this is an identity in Boolean expression. Okay. Now our second identity is a plus 1 equals to 1. Mind it. Here it was a plus 0. That means whenever OR operations of any variable with 0 is always a. But OR operations with 1 is 1. It is so. Let us take by giving an example. Example means it has two values either. Let's take when a is 0. So a plus 1 means by putting the value of a is 0, 0 plus 1. 0 plus 1 means as OR operation having a single value 1, output is 1. Okay. Now if we get, so 1 is output. Now if we put ax 1, 1 means a plus 1, by putting the value of a is 1, we get 1 plus 1 is 1. So whatever be the value of a, if we do OR operation with 1, okay, whatever be the value of a, if we do OR operations with 1, we get the output value 1. So this is our second identity. So this is our first identity and this is our second identity. Clear? Now our third identity. Third identity is a plus a equals to a. Clear? Let us see. Always we know we use here one variable. So value of a is either 0 or 1. Suppose a is 0. So a plus a means putting the value of a, 0 plus 0 equals to 0. 0 means we take a is 0. So we can say a. Clear? If we take a equals to 1, so a plus a means, here a is 1, so 1 plus 1 means 1, or operations of 1 equals to a. So by OR operation of two same variable is always equal to that variable. Clear? So this is also another identity. Clear? Now our fourth identity. Fourth identity is a dot a equals to a. Okay, let us see. Whenever a equals to 0, so a dot a means 0 dot 0. Obviously 0 dot 0 dot operations of 2 0 is 0 equals to a, as we take a equals to 0. And if we take a equals to 1, that means a dot a means 1 dot 1 equals to 1 equals to a. So if the OR operations of two variables gives the same variable as a result, then the AND operations of two variable also gives the same variable as an output. Clear? So this is our fourth identity. Now let us see our fifth identity. Fifth identity is a dot 0 equals to 0. Okay, let us see. Whenever a is 0, so a dot 0 means, by putting the value of a, 0 dot 0 equals to 0. And if we write a equals to 1, then a dot 0 means 1 dot 0. So the AND operations having 1 0 value is always 0. So whatever be the value of a, 0 or 1, the output is always 1. So this is also our another identity. Okay. Now our next identity is a dot 1 equals to a. Okay. A dot 1 equals to a. A plus 1 equals to 1, but a dot 1 equals to a. So a dot 1 equals to a means, let us take two values. When a is 0, so a dot 1 means 0 dot 1 equals to 0. Obviously 0, a, so equals to a. So if we take a equals to 1, so a dot 1 means 1 dot 1 equals to 1. AND operations having 2 1 is 1, AND operation having 1 0 is 0. So it gives 1 as a is 1 1. So a dot 1 equals to a, whatever be the value of a. Clear? Our seventh identity. Seventh identity is a plus, this is very important, a complement equals to 1. Okay, a plus a complement equals to 1. So whenever a is 0, our expression is a plus a complement. So a is 0, that means 0 plus a complement means 1. A for 0 and a complement means 1, so 1. So 0 plus 1 having OR operations having 1, single 1 is 1. And whenever a is 1, so a plus a complement equals to 1, a for 1, and for complement it is 0. So again having single 1 equals to 1. So whatever be the value of a, always the variable or operations of variable and its complemented value is 1. So this is our seventh identity. Okay. And now our last identity is a dot a complement equals to 0. As a plus a complement equals to 1, a dot a complement equals to 0. Okay, so let us see if a equals to 0. So a dot a complement means for a equals to 0, 0 dot complement means 1. So 0 and 1 having one single 0, output is 0. Again, if a is 1, so a dot a complement equals to 1 dot 0. 0 means a complement equals to 0. So whatever be the value of a, if we do AND operations with its complemented value, it is 0. If we do OR operation with its complemented value, it is 1. Okay, so we get 4 identities. Okay, so our identities will be additive identities and another is multiplicative identities. Multiplicative means AND operations. Multiplicative okay, so let us see what identities we get. For one additive, we get, for our first identity was a plus 0 equals to a. Okay, so just by changing this value, dot operations of a dot 0 is 0. Second, a plus 1. A plus 1 means 1. So a dot 1 equals to a. Clear? Third, a plus a equals to a. A dot a equals to a. And fourth, a plus a complement equals to 1. A dot a complement equals to 0. Okay, so these are the 8 identities which we get in Boolean algebra. Okay.